Hello, I'm Tim Coons, one of the owners of Westside Custom Cycles located here in Spring Hill, Florida. I became interested in custom bikes and motorcycles in general as a child, and I had my first mini bike when I was 9. And I just fell in love with it. You know, all the kids in the neighborhood had one. I grew up in Alaska, a very rural area at that time. And we all just had mini bikes. And so it started from there and it's grown in my whole life. By the age 17, I had owned my first Harley and was riding a Harley Davidson after graduating through a series of sizes and brands to get there. And I became a Harley fanatic, I guess, early, late teens, and ever since then, it's just been a passion of mine. I guess it was my passion for bikes that made me believe that someday I could make a living at it. And I always had the dream of opening a bike shop, and I always had a passion for that. Throughout my life, I went through swap meets and flea markets and just, you know, dug through treasure troves of parts to find parts to build motorcycles. Since I grew up riding the older motorcycles, you know, I have a real fondness for the vintage bikes and collecting the vintage bikes and building vintage bikes, and it just all kind of grew from there. A lifelong friend of mine who also has the same kind of passion is one of my partners also, and he's our mechanic. So together, me and him in the last 25 years have probably built over 100 motorcycles together. At Westside Custom Cycles, we offer a full range of products and services, and we want to be your one-stop shop for all your motorcycle needs. So whether it's sales, service, parts, new and used, leather, riding apparel, and we just do it all. We also try to keep it like family here. We are a small independent. Every one of our customers are treated the way they want to be treated. We try to go the extra mile. We only do what your bike needs to be done, and we try to convey that to you and let you understand the processes that we go through to repair your bike and keeping your bike up and safe. But if I had to summarize us as a shop, we just want to be the go-to shop for the small guy, but provide a full range of services. At Westside, our philosophy is to give back to the community. We support veterans, we support firefighters, police, first responders. We plan with the launch of our new website coming out this month. We plan to have organized rides to charity events and local happenings and just trying to build that community support. We're always looking to help people around us in our community and to find the right causes that can combine motorcycles and our philosophies in life with the community and actually having a connection with that. To find out more about Westside Custom Cycles and all the amazing things that we're doing, you can find us at www.westsidecustomcycles.com, or you can follow us on Facebook. We're located right across from IHOP on US 19 in Spring Hill in the old 3000 complex behind Storage King. Please stop by and see us, reach out, say hello. We'd love to hear from you.